Hello everybody, so today we're going to be using the Creality Ender 3 KE. I think that's what it's called. Let's see. Yes, KE. So I'm making a stand for my DJI drone. Funny thing is, to download the file, I think it was from Thingiverse on the iPhone. It's been such a hassle to try to get it transferred over to the Creality cloud. But it's a lot easier on Android, but I actually figured it out. You just have to use a Safari app and it works a lot better. It doesn't work on like the normal Google thing too well on iPhone compared to Android. So, all right, turn it on here. Let's get her going. Hopefully you have enough filament for this. If it just runs out, I guess I'll just try to switch it over to a different color. It doesn't matter what it is. Too much for this stand. So, let's see here. Go to my files. It's going to be printing this stand. Or do we already have it sliced? It's actually already ready to go. I had to add supports on it. Print. Here we go. There we go. There we go. Stay tuned. So yeah, this printer has been pretty easy to use. I love the Creality over some other makes and models. Just such ease of access and very easy to use with the Creality app. Everything's really straightforward, especially with the screen here. Right now it's doing a quick calibration. It's gonna heat the plate and everything. So there we go. Kind of see how different options and things you can do here. The settings, pretty straightforward. Also, it shows on the app here everything that's going on. It's just heating up the hotbed. Very cool. Another cool feature, you can actually get a camera for this, which is cool. I don't have one installed, but could maybe in the future. It's pretty cool. It is now calibrating. It's been about a couple minutes for it to warm up the plate and start calibrating. Here we go, after about 5 more minutes of it calibrating, it did its test strip down the side there. It has started. Got the first layer down. I actually didn't clean the build plate very well. It definitely had some dust on it still. I noticed it made a little stringy for a second on the side there from it kind of slipping at first, but I guess it kind of fixed itself, which is nice. Definitely remember to clean the build plate very good every time. But I think it's gonna be good. It's just going over the little string it made. It's at 1%. Oh yeah. Very fast. Yeah, always remember to clean the build plate very well before every print, since that's rubbing alcohol or anything like that. Pretty sure you can use. We are about 19%. It's looking good. Looking good. So we are at about 73%. There's 16 minutes left. It's looking good. Also, we are cooking a nice steak right now, and it seems it has finished. Let's take it off the build plate. Now I just gotta pull off the supports. Let's see this. I need some scissors to get this off. Comes off in little sections. So we'll get some scissors. So I was definitely really rough getting off the scraps to it. I was just doing it quickly, kind of scratched it a little bit here and there, but it turned out really nice. The quality of it's really nice. I'm very happy with it. Here we have it with the drone on. Impressive.